Hello and welcome. You're watching DBMN TV. This is Abigail R. Karmalim bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Shillong to host the G20 Conference 2023 on April. RBDSA to arrange a one-year sports meet in 2024, celebrating their 50th anniversary. Reverend Dakar elucidates on the incident in Padma. And TDCA organizes an inter-club cricket tournament in Tura. And now the news in detail. Shillong City is blessed with ample opportunities. Grabbing what comes its way, Shillong will be the host city for the Group 20 or G20 Summit 2023, which is one of the biggest conferences the city had ever hosted. As a piece of valuable information, the G20 is an international forum for the government of 20 major economic players. The countries under the G20 includes Argentina, Brazil, China, Germany, Indonesia, Japan, Canada, Australia, France, India, Italy, Mexico, South Korea, Russia, Turkey, United States, South Africa, Saudi Arabia, United Kingdom and European Union. The G20 conference will be held on the 17th and 18th April in Shillong City. Keeping track of the preparations, the Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tinsong on the 12th April informed that the government had summoned different departments to discuss on the important event to be hosted by the city.
We have a review meeting, I should say maybe the last review meeting, relating to the preparation of welcoming the G20, which is to be held on the 17th of this month and 18th. These 2 days the G20 meeting. So we already had a detailed meeting with all the concerned departments, and I'm happy to tell you that we are more or less ready for welcoming the G20 meeting, which is scheduled to be held in Meghalaya, in Shillong, on the 15th and 17th of this month. Yeah, this is also one of the area where we discussed today. So instruction has been given to the concerned department and then to the police personnel and to the SP traffic to work out all the details, and instruction has been given very clearly from which road this delegate VVIP will come in and which road should they again go back. So all these details I cannot tell you right now, but of course all these areas has been discussed in detail with different departments, with the senior officers.
Will there be?
See this G20, you please go to the website, you will know all the countries, the G20, and then more or less, not less than around 120 delegates will be here in China.
And where the...
Because see, be it for the beautification, repairing of infrastructure, and then be it security, be it transportation. So everything we discuss, all the details, and as I said to you, we are ready now to welcome, and we are ready now to see that the G20 is held in Shillong successfully.
As a gesture of gratitude and appreciation to Meral Bond's aim, MLA Nongpo, who has victoriously emerged as a vibrant leader of the region, the leaders of Riboy Community and Riboy District Sports Association, under the leadership of RB Shadap, the president, on the 12th April had set out to meet Meral Bond's aim to honor him for his victory and request for his assistance in particular issues. The RBDSA honoured Meral Bond's aim for his victory, and they met with him to present their requests. RB Shadap, the president of RBDSA, informed that they will hold a celebration in the year 2024 on the occasion of the 50th anniversary of the association, which will last for the entire year and will contain a list of activities. Therefore, they cordially invited Meral Bond's aim to be a part of their celebration and assist them with funds. They also requested the MLA to help them avail the Khelo India scheme, which will benefit the youngsters.
Kibalaya senran yang ini next step, hari ini kendo jungi bat Meral Bond, MLA jangan lupa, naga Riboy terbar bat naga RBDSA. Kerja berbeza jungi hari next step na bantaban kendo yang ne ulung ikmat, kalau genong rim ba, dengan berpau. Ya ke jung komen, jung songo, blay, bahwa sei ia berkumuni u noyalam lupa mangi kum ka dong ila pipa bajang sungu bukrawe namar ba hamangi yo ki kum kini gilam mikmat nagane ka thal ge jongi kalong ke burom jengi baro tede nak ta daw niwan ka step ban pau ge jong sukman bagi jong sungu yu blai nak bantarane te haga juga porru nagaliang ka RBDSA ka don ro kini ki benta ka baka bu ya katu kan ni ki mat yung don kam haga jingi day batu bat ka ni ka celebration ka ba ngidon minta hapo pengesnam at live at south namar ka RBDSA ka Ribhoy District Sport Association kan rakhe ya ka jimdap sanpur snam jongka haus nam arjar arusau tinggal penbaik bangin rakhe baru cista perintah ba yakini kijing rakhe kidon sibun ki activities ki bangi la penkrek ba ya kita ki activities ki bangi la penkrek ngila penkrek ru ban submit sang sarkar lang bagi konsultan ba haga juga poru ngi wan hang ne manikan du yo no mikmat bu ni don mentalang bat ngi haga bekum kata ke penkrek ru badru bu unyarap ban nang budin ia kene projek ka bangi lapun kret na ka RBDSA cak sarkar nama jinglut kilong ibun ban hak juga por kamtam ngila karpat ya une u MLA na nongpo na benta bun pun krenlem na benta kamadan kurkalang kaba badan hagalis menginyo ya ka skim na ka Hello India bat kane ka skim hadu benta kampat poi tinggi dang up community ba kasurka India kan sapen state ban treno ya ni skim but dehan ta ka daw ngiwan hang ne ban kentu yu unya rapan pembudin nam wali jide ba ne ru lang ba kasurka de nagalian kiwi pada kam nilai kan sibun haga jinge de bat ka imlang salang ba jing don kam bat kani ka ro ka par haga dom gejumi ini community ba langba kana ke kendu namar ba ngiwan na Ribhoy Dorbar bat na ka Ribhoy District Sport ki khla lang ke lakai sport bat.
When the news on the assault of two leaders of Presbyterian Church Lamkra, Reverend Pastor R.G. Lalu and T.S. Nongklao on the 11th April, the Senior Administrative Secretary, KGP Assembly, Reverend Pastor S.R. Dakhar, made it clear regarding the incident that took place in Patna, Bihar. Reverend Pastor Dakhar explained that the intention of the two religious leaders to go to Bihar was to visit an acquaintance and not for any church work. Before leaving their acquaintance place, they had a small peaceful prayer, but a group of people heard the chanting of prayers and accused them of practicing religious conversion. The police escorted the two for safety until they reached the entrance of the airport. The Shillong police also left no effort in requesting the Bihar government to provide safety to the two religious leaders until they returned home unharmed.
Ngios ngio ya kaneka jingjia lang baki WhatsApp lang baki social media bagadon kataka jingjia na kabanta arng ginoilam balang jongi na kabalang da ukra Reverend R.G. Lalu ban teman besan Dr. T. Nongklao di ngisutip nagi social media bangila persang rumban ya kontak saki noelang jong kabalang da ukra bakila yatu bakade sisa ke jingjia ti menta bading yo i ya kijingmi hagi kot kuboru kalapan pau ya ka ya ka jingi thu ko bakham shai bakham bong tikna bakaladon sisa kene ke jingjia ka ba ngimdon kanu ka jing singai kum ki nong chang shnong jong kari India ba kiwe kin khanglat ya ka jingi Kristan ka jongi ya ka jingi lap ya ka gospel hakinu kinu gi benta dingi snusi ya kene ke jingjia ba hakari India ka jongi kidon kita ki grup kiba penwit pentuk ya ka legawan ya ka jimtre mission ka jongi nomor kari India kadai kari kaba baro ngidon kata kajing lai loi ban pla yala kajong kajing ni lada dai ki Hindu, ki Sikh, ki Buddhist, ki Muslim ngidon na kajong ka profession ngidon na kajong kajing pla kajong yang uta ubangi nge but ka constitution jong kari India ru kasya babaro ngidon kajing ya burong kiliang ya kawai pegawai ka jainyam kawai pegawai ka jajingai but kuntu haka Easter Sunday ngioi haka social media ba Prime Minister Narendra Modi ula donrengkat haka wei naki jingseng Easter hapo Delhi ula ai ka witness ke jongu hangto kalong ka ke bapun semua kenal bau Prime Minister uburom ya ki rungai Kristen ki jongi ni sengong singai ni sengong komen haru kata-kata ti kini ki jingjia ki bawan jia menta ki pen artin yang i ba kani kamut ayu ti nomor kata nakalian jong ka balang ka jongi ni banong kumta baka BJP haga jingsen charge ko sarkar BJP ki wan kini ki ngam dala than banong ya kata tika sulong ba kajia haga por jong ka sarkar BJP ki kham kiu kini ki jingjia Hinre wat shwaban wan ka sarkar BJP ru wat haka sarkar kongres ru hateli kidon gini ki jingjia hakeleng ki jeka kidon ki jingjia ki ba punlong ki babul ki Kristen ki sha nyon ben ki sha punpra ki jing mane kidon kum kita di banong bangin sim ko bu ba kadai ka sarkar BJP ki jia kini kata le se kamla banlong 100% ha di Henry ka sulong ba menta bakade ka sarkar BJP don hagapor bat ba kini kiriu sim kabu kumanong no kini ki group kum ka Bajrang Dal ki RSS ki we let's say gila ban don kata ka power ka jongki jing snoran bor jongki ban le hake bubun ki banta Henry ban suong direct kumta kamlong ka badai baka BJP pasyuni Kristen kamdai kumta Henry ong ba kanu ko sarkar ka bawan hakabor karon kam banwat ya kata ka jingye dei jingmod ban wanra ya ka jing songsu songsan hapdeng baro ki janyam hagane kari ke jong di kani ka jingjia kajia kumba kapau hagi social media ba kini ki kenhun kum ka Bajrang Dal ki shaile yakini ki kam ki kum kini ladang ikan mau hagi snem ba balalek no kajing sha thang im jong we missionary Graham Stein lembat armu ki khunjung hapo Orissa saturu ko jia ti babung ki khap ki jia kumne ti iman ba kani kari India ka jongi kakwa ban penlong kumka state religion tingin ko abakan ngumta nomor bakate ka democratic country iko bandan ka jing song suk song sai ka jing iburom iwe kata ka de ka jing yo ke jonga kan sumubha ban ai kono ka jing yada kanang baga song sai ka jing ya burom iwe pan halaga jong ka jing kan don kata ka jing sungutuna ha ka imlang ka salam kata ka de ka jing kwa jong ina ka lenga bala ha ka jing yo ka jonga ka de namar ba ka balang Kristen kalale sibun ke kam ke babha ladai nagalian ki school ladai nagalian ki mission ladai nagalian ki social activities ladai nagano ka banta ka balang Kristen ka persang ban ai ya ka contribution lane ka ki kam ki babha kumno ban kantiu ya ka jai ban riu ya ka long riu ko man riu ban long riu hakar kom ka ba be ka baranti bat ba ki khun jong ka ni ka pateng ka jongi ki long ki babir ki babiang ban na ka yang jong ka barang Kristan hi ngiyo i bangil persang ban le hakikat tu kan ki benda kata ka de ka we tihin re imat karon da ka we par karkom perkhan karkom smuthu jong ki we pat ki paralok ki rungi jong ki we pat ki bom de Kristan ti halor kani ngiyo i ba wan na ka jing wan ra sya ki kot halor katuka anti conversion bill ro ting katuka la pun batay bakla ting karon ka jingsim kabu halor katu ti kini ki jingsim kabu ki pun perkhat yani ba iman kani ka jing themu kalong ban sopres bansya nyon bain ye kiri pai Kristan jungi hakani ka ri ti nio i baki don karon ka jing bom song sngai jong ki pai Kristan hakani ka ri ga jongi bat ka perthai baro ka wei ka yo i ya kata ti ni kentu bakan kinosin sha jong ka ri ga jongi kin smobha ban wanra ya ka sensar khada ka ba song suk song sai ka ba bai ka baranti kenang bakari jongi kan im kan rai bahkan par bahkan ron gajing tiu haki babun kilian bat hamtam hakar komni Kristan banong ya kata ke message kolong tangkani kakum gajing itu jong kaktin ga jong mulai bakapor kan jia bagi jing kinman kakum gajing itu apa ka jong jisu ba kinman ki jing pensitom ki babun jai tini i ba iman kum ki riu ngai Kristan ngila song suk than ngila im kani ga jing im ka basuk iman ublei kwa man wanra ye kini ki jing khnang bangin la ban perkhat ban yit ila de la ngi long sisa ne ki Kristan ki ba bot hong ublei ban long Kristan klem da don kata ka jing ko mu ya ka tin ga jong blai himla malong ki Kristan wala ngade Kristan ro te hinrai haba ublai ukwa ban penha upha ye ki jinge tigini ki jingja ki wan ban penprang ya ka jinge jong Kristan ban barangi long sisa ki Kristan ki basisa ngimde ban sep tingi kani kata ka de ka hukum kata ka de ka mission ka ba jisu ha ye ki Kristan ha ka de ko pertai manglong ki ba bot ya ki hukum ba kajing hika juga tin ka jong bulai ngimde man sep tingi kata larangi dei bania larangi kan jia kumno normal kala jia ya ki sunran ki jong jisu bon ki ba sya kai kli bon ki ba sya penia kini ki jia lu ko por jong jisu ba ngimde man sep tingi kata mar ba udai ta mulai ubala man aya ka jinge dai
Tura District Cricket Association TDCA organised an inter-club cricket tournament 2022 to 2023 at Lot Grey Cricket Ground. The tournament started on January 2023 and concluded on 12 April 2023. The finals of Division B was between Team Gware and Team Dalu. Dalu defeated Gware by 45 runs. Rivin Dogre was announced the player of the match with 5 wickets in 4.1 over and only 4 runs in his over. Chilian Sangma of Dalu was pronounced the best bowler. Jonkam Marak of Dalu player of the match and Minku Marak of Balachanda best batsman. The tournament was organised by TDCA every year to promote and give platform to the young budding talents. From where players get selected to present the district and take part in professional cricket in state team like Syed Mustaq Ali Trophy, Vijay Hazare Trophy, Ranji Trophy, CK Naidu Trophy and so on.
Good shot. Good shot. West Indies style. Just like me. I know Hindi, Assamese, Bengali, Marathi, Gujarati, all languages. Yes.
Yes.
I can even teach you Hindi. Tomorrow I can teach you Hindi. But I will teach you only grammar. I will teach you only grammar. Very sure one.
Good shot.
Single.
Good run.
Ang nibim ko Salmat Mati Marak mga ang TDC ni member nga aro daw yano Division B ni final ko Guare aro Dalu Cricket Association maksa khalanga ha ya khalani gisepo Dalu chegapa nga ha aro Dalu aro Guare team ge genian Division A ona qualify nga ha taw next season o wamang TDC Super Division o khalangen ya tournament December jauni apa singa ha arwa dalo na kengkeng name maksudna kita mana ha TDC inter ya TDC league ko Division A aro Division B khala ha Division A o team ge chiking donga aro Division B o team ge korsang genang warang oni Division A o ni final ko khalanga ha wano Krumkro League Champion onge Miracle Final ko chiang ha. One again dao Division B ko ba dal khala ha aro wano dal chek ba Dalu Cricket Association ong ha. Yano government ni sponsor de dongja. Dabi yano antang gen TDC ni ngat gaba league ong ha.
Dr. Celestine Lingdaw, MLA Umsning, along with officers from the PWD department on the 12th April went down to the venue where the Presbyterian Church Nongthamai will organize the 26th Ribhoi Synod 2024. Dr. Celestine Lingdaw, with the company of officers and members of the reception committee, pastors, elders and church leaders had to arrive at the place where the Synod 2024 will be held. All the requirements for the fateful day was checked and inspected by the leaders for the occasion to run smooth with zero obstacles. The leaders and the faithful are full of hope and expect the occasion to be a successful one.
Taba nang kong ngi penpau ya ka jing sungu yo blai nang kong kum ka reception committee jong ka balang president nong thmai ka badon hagalenti jong jing pen khre na manta ka jing sang sinot rangba ka ban salong hangne ka balang jong yo snam ar hajar ar sau ngi nagaliang jong ka balang rengkat ka sinong ngi penpau ya ka jing sungu ya i MLA i badon borom jong i Dr. Si Lingdaw i blasim khia i gene kam ha ka ba ha gene ka singi rengkat bat ki officer jong ka ta PWD nilayo ya ka banwan pej banwan jungo banwan jurip ya ka jaka ka ba nagaliang jong ka reception committee ngi thumu ban pelong ya ka jing sang sinot house name ar jar ar sau badaka jing simkhia jong i MLA rengkat ru bat kinyo ki officer na ka tanat PWD ngi kerman skam ba ka jing khmi lenti ke jong i kum ka balang ba kum ka snong banyo ya ki surok syakete ke jaka ka ba ngimut ban pelong ya ka jing sang sinot house name ar jar ar sau kanlong ka ba job de ngi kerman skam ba kane kam de gasin ka wakadu andre ngi kerpat ha ju kopor ya ke officer jong ka PWD department bakin sngoba ya ka ban simkhia ge kam ba ngi khmit lenti ba la konom no aswa ba ka balang kan yo ban pediang ge jing sang sinot ngin yo i ya ki surok ki babet ki babiang khnang bang kan pensuk ya upai riunge buan sa ge jing sang bat kan long ru ge jing kerkhu na ka banta ka jongi kum ka balang ka snong na ka banta ban pun krau ya ka buram ka jong blai bat ha ju kopor mdei tangga surok andre ju kopor ngi kerpat ru i ki department kum ka PHE bakin yarap ya kaban sim khialem ha kaban penbit penbiang ya ki umbam umdi mar kum bakalong mentang kasnong jongi kadon hapdeng jong jingkru bat nge scam ba IMLA in sa sim khiaru yekne kam ba ka PHE department ru kinwan banjungo yekne kasnong jongi na kaban ta ka jing penbit penbiang ya ki umbam umdi na kaban ta ka jingbit jingbiang jong ki pa jong kirempeng krisan ki don hapo jong kapalang ditang di ni ki kinten I kublai shibot.
So viewers, with that, we have come to the end of today's edition. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.